what's going on everybody? It's Tristan Wick, and today in this video, I guess I decided to say my full name for the intro, but basically what we're going to be going over is, I've already made a video on this, but we're going to be discussing the full entire collapse, just kind of going over how the revenge store market has been doing and how it is completely falling apart and it's pretty much just dead. It's done. There's no hope for this market anymore. Really, in my opinion, maybe if like there's a new colorway, it'll go for like something for a little bit, like a month. But that's pretty much it. I think this market's very dead, so I'm pretty much here to discuss it. I'm not hating on Revenge Storm. I like actually the shoe. I think it's really cool. I actually used to own some pairs, but I don't anymore, and I'll discuss why in this video. But I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you guys want more content like this, where I discuss kind of just like, I don't know, just debunking sneaker stuff, any kind of content like this, reselling videos, you can subscribe below and also drop that like. Let's try and hit 150 likes on this video. So if everybody would drop a like, let's try and hit 150. That'd be really appreciated. And you can drop a comment too to give your thoughts on the whole Revenge Storm situation too. Your thoughts on just like kind of like the market and like how they've been doing recently. And also I'm going to be announcing a giveaway very shortly, as I've been mentioning in pretty much every single one of my videos. So go check out my Instagram, mainly my personal one. Those will be down below. But you guys can go follow those and stay tuned because I'm going to be having a giveaway there very shortly. So yeah, that's pretty much all I'm going to say. So let's discuss just a couple things, just like showing how the market's gone down, why it's dead. Let's go. All right, so first thing kind of want to go over is just like how the prices have fallen and what really caused the prices to go down. So really the first thing, I discussed it all in like this video right here, the fall of Revenge Storm. I discussed how like there's basically been a bunch of fake pairs coming from this Chinese website that have basically just been coming in because people have just been ordering off them and just been selling them to a bunch of people as legit pairs. Exact same factory as the original Revenge Storm factory, so it's not like they're actually fake pairs. They're just unauthorized, which means they're just not like verified as real, but they're basically exact same materials, exact same manufacturing, pretty much same everything. So really, are they fake? No. But people basically found this whole entire, I mean, they are fake because they're not like verified as real, but like people found this whole entire way to get a bunch of unauthorized pairs, and basically they've just been selling them and just getting a bunch of bulk pairs, getting them in from this website. And that's why the market has been going down in price so much, is because so many pairs have been coming in from these manufacturers that have just been producing them ever since Ian Connor, you know, he had like his whole allegations thing. He lost, I believe that because of the allegations, he actually lost his manufacturing rights for the Revenge Storms. I think that's true. I'm not too sure on that whole story, but I think that's correct. And yeah, basically because of that, people have just been able to get access to these manufacturers who have just been continuing to produce pairs since Ian Connor lost his rights to produce them. So they're just like, shoot, we're just gonna make as many as we want. So people have been buying them off this website. I'm not gonna name it. I refuse to name it because I don't, someone may name it in the comments and that's fine, but like I'm not gonna name it because I don't want y'all to go be buying pairs and selling them to people, because I mean people get these pairs for really cheap. Like they've been getting them for like from this website for like 30 bucks to like 60 bucks, and they've been selling these Revenge Storms like used or whatever for like 100 to like 150 now. I mean, the market used to be way more like 200 300, and I'll even like show a little proof of that, like to show you like the fakes have been coming into market and they have been the reason for them to drop. Like you will see the prices drop significantly, and that is evidence that like tons and tons of these sneakers have been being produced and coming into the market, and it's clearly coming from this Chinese manufacturer. And I'm not going to say the website again. I'm going to continue to say that. So if someone says in the comments, it's not like it's a super massive secret. I just, you know, let me discuss the prices dropping so you guys can see like this has been an issue and caused like the whole entire market for Revenge Storm to be dead. So right here, you know, like here are some prices. So we got like the prices for the original like black Revenge Storms. These ones right here, you can see pairs are selling for like 190, 170, brand new with everything. And then you got pairs right here in the blue camo. Look, you got pairs selling for 425, 330, 250. Like you see like pairs are selling for like hundreds and hundreds of dollars, like $300 like Vans basically. And then you got like another one right here. You got people, look, you got a pair in size 9 like in the middle there. I don't know if y'all can see it, for 500 there. Someone bought a pair for 500. Now, not a very good idea, but you can see like there's tons of pairs going for like 200, 350, like a lot of money. And I think it's crazy now how like, look, I can really go on Grailed, and look, I'm gonna show you all right here. Literally, I got 2 listings right here for, look, $99. Look, there's a pair for 99, and look, there's a pair for 100. Like, the whole market is like dead now. And like, hey, look, you even got a pair of black Velcro Revenge Storms right here. Look, these ones for 105. 105 right here on Grailed. So like, if that doesn't show you that the market has gone down completely when they used to be selling for 170, 180, to show you all even more evidence, just because I don't think I showed enough during the video. Look at how much these prices have dropped. Look, like you got pairs for 110. Like all over grailed for mad cheap. Look at this. And even like, look, like there's so many pairs for like 110, 115 right there. Fakes everywhere. And like these fakes have been coming in, and I'm not necessarily, I mean, it is an issue, but I don't really necessarily care that much about like Revenge Storm. I'm not like a fanboy complaining here. I just want to kind of just go back and discuss and kind of show you all, like the market is super dead right now. Like you even got pairs going for like $100 now. I wouldn't be shocked if like we have dead stock pairs in the next few months going for like 100, 130, 120. I mean, you already do have dead stock pairs going for 130. So like 100, like, or like even just close to what they've been getting them for off this Chinese website. I wouldn't be shocked if people just, you know, continue to use this as a way to profit. So don't be buying Revenge Storms. I know people have been telling you GOAT and all those websites are legit, and GOAT is legit. And you know, they are allowing these pairs through, and I don't blame them because they are the exact same as the real ones. They're literally the exact same. They've just haven't been checked off by, I guess, Ian Connor's label that they're straight, but I think he allegedly lost manufacturing rights because of like his sexual assault stuff that happened, but I'm not too sure there. Or he didn't have sexual assault stuff, that was a Sapari, but his like allegations. I don't want to discuss that. I'm not discussing drama. I mean, Ian's, I don't know. I think the shoes are cool, so I think the market is dead. I've showed you all that. There's just been a lot of fakes coming in from that website, and just kind of reflecting on it, yeah. It's dead. Revenge Storm is dead. And let's roll that outro. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me get in the center here, but if you guys want more videos like this, you guys can go ahead and subscribe below. I definitely will do more videos just kind of discussing the market on different shoes like this, different sneaker investments, vlogs. I basically do it all for streetwear and sneakers and reselling. So if you want that kind of content, stay tuned. By doing that, you could also drop a like in this video. I'd like to see us hit 150 likes, so let's see if everybody could do that. That'd be dope. That'd make my day. You can also drop a comment down below too, and kind of your thoughts on Revenge Storm, Ian Connor, whatever you want to discuss in the comments. Feel free. And be sure you guys are also mainly staying tuned on my Instagram, so stay tuned. Make sure you're following those down below, and make sure you're staying tuned there for the giveaway that will be coming soon, very shortly, on my personal one for that mystery box. You don't want to miss out, so stay tuned. And yeah, you know, that's pretty much all I gotta say. So I'm Tristan. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.